Sorry about that, guys. My recorder was saying that it kept muting, so it wouldn't have any audio. So I had to stop that recording, and then I'm just starting this one. There'll be a quick one just to go over these answers. So number 11 is y equals negative x minus 2. And so your slope on that is -1, and your y-intercept is at -2. Number 12 is at y equals 1/2 x plus 4. So your y-intercept is at 4, and then your slope is up 1 over 2. Does anybody see my mistake? I'm glad that I was able to go through this. That is not the correct line. My y-intercept is at 4. Up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and up 1 over 2, and then connect it. So it should be a positive line. So real quick, I knew that that was wrong because my slope is positive. So if it's a positive slope, my line should never be going down from left to right. Okay? So this is the correct line. This one, you guys can't go from, this should be standard form because that's the standard form. Just put it into slope-intercept form. And if you did so, it goes into y equals 2x minus 6. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of give you an overview of what I want for you to do the rest of the week. So make sure that you pay attention to this. So the next page is this guy. What I want for you to do is I want for you to complete number 1, cross through number 3, because you'll probably need a little bit more room than that. So do number 1, cross through number 3. Do number 5, cross through 7. Do 9, cross through 11. Do you guys see the pattern here? 13 cross, 17 cross, 21 cross, 25 cross, and then 29. Don't worry about the ones on the other side. So just do those. So you're going to do those problems taking these standard form equations and putting them into slope-intercept equations. So y equals mx plus b. So if you want to write that at the top, you're going to put it into y equals mx plus b form. Okay? And then after that, there's going to be a Schoology assignment over this, so make sure you get that done. And then after that is a mixed review. This is your quiz mixed review. Quiz. So what you're going to then do is you are going to do this page, this, and this. So essentially the next 4 pages, front, back, front, back. So 2 pages, front, back, front, back. That is your quiz review. What I'm going to do with that is I'm going to put the answer key into Schoology. So it's kind of on your own that you finish it. It will prepare you for the quiz. Once you're done, check yourself, see what questions you have, and make sure that you got it correct. So if you got it incorrect, don't just change yours to make it correct. Actually find where did I go wrong on this, okay? And I'm going to show as much work as I can on it so you can see those things. Then after that, on Monday, we are going to do a mandatory full class meeting. So full group meeting on Monday. So no small groups on Monday. And what's going to happen during that big class meeting on Monday is the first 15 minutes will be questions over concepts, because after that you guys are going to be taking a quiz in the meet. So it's going to be given on Schoology, but we are going to stay in the meet. And everyone's going to be muted, and then you're going to take your quiz. After the quiz, there is a small order of operations worksheet that I'm going to have you complete. And quite honestly, if you do that before the quiz, before Monday, you're more than welcome to. It's in the folder for you to do. It's the assignment that you can do. And so that's your week in a nutshell. So there's only one new concept that you guys are learning, standard form. Then you'll have a quiz. Quiz is going to be over rate of change in slope, slope-intercept form, point slope form, standard form, review, quiz, 1 day of order of operations. And then that'll take us to Wednesday when your new folder will be open. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.